Everyone, welcome back to week 4 of Bake Angel Takes on the Great British Bake Off. It's Mexican week, which is a little bit of a different one for the show. So let's take a look at what we'll be making this week.
For your technical challenge, Paul would like you to make 8 Mexican tacos.
Okay, so that's a little awkward, don't you think? Tacos is not really baking, so I think what I'll probably do is actually skip this week because, as you know, the whole premise of my channel is to do baking recipes and decorating tips, and quite honestly, making tacos doesn't really inspire me this week. I also find that it's quite strange that given the whole swathe of things that they could have covered for the technical challenge this week, they actually went for something that's more of a cooking challenge rather than baking. I mean, the pan dulce that they had for the signature would have been a great thing to have a go at making. I've never made those before and I would have loved the chance to try those. But unfortunately, they didn't release any recipes this week other than the recipe for the actual tacos. So like I say, I think we're going to skip this week's challenge. Let me know in the comments below what you thought of this week's episode as well. I know in the baking circles there's been a lot of talk about this episode and whether it was actually a little bit controversial because there was kind of a lot of Mexican innuendos thrown around and a few things that I know definitely offended some viewers. So let me know below, what did you think of Mexican week with the Great British Bake Off? I'll also share one of my Mexican recipes with you because why not, right? We wanted to do something fun this week and I already have a really cool air fryer churro recipe on my blog and on this channel as well that you could check out. Now, if you've never made churros in an air fryer before, your mind will be blown with how easy that process is. So make sure you check out that recipe in the description below and I'll pop a link to the recipe bake along as well so you can check that out. So I guess that's it from me for the Bake Off challenge for this week. Again, I'm really disappointed that they didn't actually choose something a little bit more in the baking sort of niche as opposed to cooking. Let me know in the comments if you're enjoying these series that I'm doing this year anyway, and also make sure you check out the rest of the baking videos on my channel. Fingers crossed that the next technical will actually be something baking that we can make together. Until then, take care and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.